This is it, the biggest unboxing on Smart Depot, and it's all about lights. So this is going to be the last time you're going to be seeing this, our home build light that we're using, because someone sent us this love. I'm going to talk about that more in the video, but let's unbox this biggest gift for our Smart Depot Tech channel. Okay, so the first thing we're going to bring out here is this. That's lights, RGB. We're going to keep it aside. That'll be the last one we will do. So this, it's another one. Then this. Okay, so let's start with this one. I think it might be a stand. Let's see. I guessed it right. This is a stand. Wow, this is huge. This is huge. It's a light stand and it's huge, man. So we're gonna keep it on the floor for now. Wow. So that's how huge it is. I'm gonna stand it here. Then you can raise it up. Wow. So we got ourselves a light stand. So let's see what is in this one. Okay. This looks like a soft box. It is looking like a soft box. Okay. 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 So this is it. Okay. So you put this thing inside and then work out the angles. Okay, you can now bring it closer like this, and it's springy, and this one hooks here. So press it in again. Wow, nice spring. Nice spring. Okay, so let's go to the light itself. And let's come to the lights. I have a bag. Let's get a bag, and the bag's got a name. Spherical is the name. We're gonna check it out. So it has a zip. You even have the receipt inside. So this will even have an RGB case. This is beautiful. Okay, what else do we have here? There's the light head itself. The Spherical. Okay, push it down. Then bring out the lights. Probably a laptop adapter or something. This is DC. Okay, it's coming on. You can see it. There's so much brightness, so much light. We can add this head. Let's see. So let's add this. Okay, you can change the color temperature. You can change the tone. Can we add this? Just fine. But you can still hold it on. I press something. I don't know what I press. Okay, good. So now, let me show you. So now we have it set with this. Ooh, you can see me. You can change the color temperature a bit so you can have a feel. feel, you can see it. You can change the color temperature. You can do lots of things with this light. Special thanks to Valor Reviews, yes, my boss Valor, for sending us this light. At first I thought it was a joke, man, but he sent the light and the experience has been beautiful. Thank you so much, Valor. We really appreciate this. Talking about the things this light can do, this light is so much fun. I made a video about all the features of this light and I'm going to publish it later. So make sure you click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon to get that video once we publish it. And if you have not joined our membership, come on, what are you waiting for? Go join our membership right now. Click on that join and then you get to see all the behind the scenes that we do for our membership, exclusive for our membership. It's fun and a way to support the channel. So thank you. Subscribe. I see you.